Right, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, welcome back to the Matt's Train Stop YouTube channel. And obviously, it is the beginning of the month, so that only means one thing, and that it is the business update video. What are we doing, where I'm going, if I'm going anywhere, what there is to list on eBay, what's arriving, what's going, who's here, who's there, who's everywhere type thing. You get the idea, don't you? So I have a list of things to go through. So number one on the list is just a massive thank you for last year, for 2025, to everybody who bought things on eBay, on the stall, on obviously in person as well. It's been absolutely amazing. It's been a wonderful year. The trajectories, it's not that, the trajectory is that. It's been absolutely ridiculous. I'm going to give you a couple of numbers. So 689 online orders, but if you put into perspective, I do sell a lot of bundles and job lots, so that relates to between 7,500 and 8,000 items sold. That's across eBay and across the stalls throughout the year, which that's quite it's quite a lot. That's quite a lot. Obviously, I won't reveal finances. I think you can understand that, but all I'm going to say is that Matt's Train Stop has a very, very bright future ahead. Very bright future indeed. This year is going to be bigger than ever, and that's a little plug as well for the next video. If you want a massive announcement, get yourself subscribed to the Matt's Train Stop YouTube channel, because the next video is probably going to be one of the craziest announcement videos I've ever done. I cannot believe next month where I'm going. Cannot believe it. You know, little white van man, Matt's Train Stop is about to mix with the big boys. Cannot believe it. So, next thing is there anything going on this month? Have I got any stalls going on this month? No. January is usually quite quiet. There is nothing down. However, if there is a model railway exhibition going and you need a stall order last minute, just drop me an email. It will be mattstrainstop@gmail.com. That's mattstrainstop@gmail.com, all lowercase. So yeah, anybody out there, any model railway organisers, model railway exhibition organisers out there wanting a trader, just let me know. There's a bit of a boundary, so probably anything south of Birmingham is a no-go, and anything north of the border of England into Scotland is probably a no-go as well. But yeah, just if you need a trader, just let me know. So, eBay listings next. Obviously, due to the amount of stuff which is sold at Doncaster and the amount of stuff which is sold on eBay over Christmas, the eBay page has been looking rather bare recently. I know from about last week now, or should we say up until last week, I think it was 67 listings on eBay, which is not good enough at all. However, that has massively increased. We've got to over 100 listings again. That's usually like my bottom line, the very, very bottom line I'd like to have. I will say this, so ladies and gentlemen, if you do want anything on eBay, or should we say if you see anything on eBay, I'd get it pretty sharpish, because I've listed a lot of things on eBay this week and over the previous week, and things have just been selling straight away within 10 minutes. So if you do see something on there and you'd like it, I'd snap it up pretty quickly, because you know there's that many people now following the channel, following the eBay page, that sales just seem to just happen a lot quicker when things get listed. So that's all I'm going to say, is just keep on your toes effectively. When it comes to stock arriving, so at the time of this video actually being uploaded, there will be a delivery. There is also another delivery scheduled for either next week or the week after, one of the two. This stuff probably will not be listed on eBay, simply because I need some stock putting aside for the next show, which will be announced in the next video. So I think you can, if you put two and two together, I think you could probably understand where I'm coming from, in the sense that I've got a big show coming up and I need some stock for it. Put it that way. At the end of the month as well, he's looking promising for some more stock, for a lot more stock, all being well. There should be 2 big collections arriving. And that does remind me, ladies and gentlemen, if you want a collection selling, or if you know of somebody selling a collection, again, drop me an email, matchtrainstop@gmail.com, once again. So, yes, this brings us to the end of January, but like I said, for this month it's quiet. It's just going to be plainly eBay sales. However, I do recommend you stay tuned to the channel, like I said, for the next video, because next month is it's going to be absolutely mental next month. So yeah, while you're here, ladies and gentlemen, like the video, subscribe to Matt's Trading Stop YouTube channel so you do not miss out on Saturday's announcement video. And that is it. That is it for this video. It's been short and sweet. It's just been a little update of what's going on this month, and a little thank you to you all for simply the growth of this business. I can't thank you all enough. It's you guys which grow the business. You know, I buy the stock, but if you guys don't buy the stock, then the business doesn't grow, does it? So I want to thank you all for all your purchases. So yeah, that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for watching. If you're new around here and you like what you see, drop a like on the video, subscribe to Matt's Trading Stop YouTube channel, and I will see you on Saturday for the big announcement. Goodbye for now. Oh, that light's bright. Oh.